little helper for today, Mia, aka Minnie, who's already starting to eat some of the chocolate. So today we were just gonna play around in the kitchen and make some Raisinets because Chris, every time we go to the mall, he gets Raisinets from like the little machine. And at one point, he just gave me one of the Raisinets. I didn't think anything of it, and I ate the Raisinette. And then after I'm chewing it, and I'm thinking, wait, this tastes like milk chocolate. I'm like, oh my God, this is milk chocolate. This is not vegan. And then I was like, wait, even though it wasn't vegan, that Raisinette was delicious. I can't lie. So I was like, I must come up with a Raisinette recipe. Even though this isn't really a recipe, you just need two things, and it's super, super simple to make. We're basically just coating these raisins. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We already made a couple for breakfast. We didn't have it for breakfast, but we did make it around breakfast time. Here you go. You wanna put them in there?
Yes.
You wanna just pour the bag?
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Just pour some. So we're just pouring some in there generously. I do have my bowl. I have a bowl sitting in a little bit of warm water because the water is actually heating up to a low temperature. I just want the chocolate to be nice and melted, but I don't want it to be boiling under here because I don't want it to burn, because once you reach like a level of heat on your chocolate, it will burn, and that is the point of no return. So we're just melting our chocolate. I'm just gonna let it kind of like sit a little bit to get nice and warm. All right, now we mix it, and this is, yeah, sure, go ahead. This is how we want our chocolate to be nice and melted. And if you notice Mia's bow collection on her hair, she said that she wanted to put a bunch of bows on. And I'm like, sure, we're not really going anywhere, I guess. No, there's too many. No, there's too many at once, okay?
Yeah.
You wanna do, yeah, sure. So we're just gonna sprinkle on a little tiny handful, a little mini handful of raisins in there. Can I help you?
Yeah.
And we're just sprinkling them in there. And I'm just mixing them around so that they can get nice and coated. No, don't do the sprinkles yet. Okay? The sprinkles are not gonna go in here. You're gonna sprinkle them on top of the raisins.
Oh.
All right, so once they're nice and coated in chocolat, we're gonna place them on a plate.
Can we do it?
Hang on. You don't know how to use the chopsticks, baby.
Yes, why can't I just learn how to do it?
I will get you some chopsticks so you can learn. Ooh, the sun is coming out.
Yeah.
And here we go. So we're just plopping all of them on a little plate. You might want to use parchment paper if you want these to come off your little surface perfectly, but I don't really mind having to like scrape it off a little. Baby, I could let you try.
Okay, let me try.
All right, give me a second. Let me do this part. There you go. You can try.
Okay.
It's hard to do.
I know it is. Okay.
It's okay, baby. It's okay, but you're gonna do the sprinkles, and you help melt the chocolate. Watch out! I don't want you to burn your face. All right, so we're gonna do some with sprinkles and some without sprinkles. Mia found some sprinkles, and she wanted to add some sprinkles, so I'm like, sure, let's do a couple sprinkles. Now this is tedious, but it's a fun little activity
I got the sprinkles just
to do with the little ones, or just if you feel like having some chocolate covered raisins or chocolate covered anything really. You just do it like this. I feel like I haven't looked at you guys since I started making these. All right, you want to sprinkle some sprinkles on those? So Mia's gonna do a couple sprinkles. I'm actually gonna lower this heat even further. Actually, no, I think it's as low as it gets. So, but I'm actually gonna turn it off then. I just want to make sure that my chocolate doesn't like seize up. Is this like a ginormous raisin, or is it 2 raisins in one?
I don't know.
I'm gonna put some on this side that don't have sprinkles, okay? I don't want sprinkles on mine, all right?
Why you don't like sprinkles?
No, I like sprinkles, but I like sprinkles on my ice cream, not on my raisins. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos of just like little things that you can do with the kids in the kitchen, like little recipes that you can get the kids involved with, which would be cool, especially around the holidays, I think. Yeah, with the holidays coming up now, I know I like to get the kids really involved in the kitchen, making like different kinds of chocolates and cookies and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this where I get the kids in here and they're kind of just helping me along with recipes. And for the most part, I would have recipes for you guys. This is obviously not a recipe. It doesn't call for a recipe because it's just so simple. We just melted some chocolate. Oh, and if you're wondering what chocolate I use these mini chips, mini semi-sweet chips from Enjoy Life. I bought these at Walmart. I'm sorry, not Walmart. Actually, I think they might carry them at Walmart, but I got them from Target. And those are vegan, gluten-free, free from wheat, peanuts, tree nuts, dairy, casein, soy, eggs, sesame, sulfates, lupin, mustard, fish, shellfish, and crustaceans. So it's like anti-allergy everything. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna sprinkle in some more in here and I'm gonna continue to make this until our chocolate is pretty much done. And what I'm gonna do is put these into the fridge for about 10 minutes or so. You really don't need to put them, I'm sorry, in the freezer for about 10 minutes or so. You really don't have to put them much longer than 10 minutes in the freezer because these will harden up in no time. And I'm just taking them out with chopsticks because I feel like it's the best way to like reduce any of the, I guess, like taking off any of the chocolate. But of course you could use like a fork or a spoon or whatever you like. So these have come out the fridge or out of the freezer. We had them in there for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just taking the back of what is this called exactly? A butter knife to just kind of like remove them from the plate. And if you use parchment paper, you could just kind of like pop them off. But this works just fine. And then we're gonna do a taste test for you. Let's give it a taste. Mia's gonna taste the one with the sprinkles, and I'm gonna taste a non-sprinkly one. Here we go. It tastes like a regular raisinette. Since I accidentally ate one the other day and I know exactly what raisinets taste like now. Tastes really good. I'm digging it. You guys have to try this out. Let me know if you guys would like to see more videos with me and the kids making stuff and kind of like getting inventive in the kitchen. Also, you can use this as a melt chocolate and coat whatever it is you feel like coating at the time. Put the chocolate on some strawberries. Get inspired to chocolate coat whatever it is you have in your kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to share this video so other people can see how delicious vegan food can be. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Ah.